Hello YouTube, this is PSP Slim Hacks, and I know I haven't made a video in a long time. Is because it was senior year, finals, tests, exams, and all that stuff. And now that it's summer vacation already, I need to prepare for college and all that. And since it's also summer, you have to work. I'm not just gonna stand in my house doing nothing. And I'm sorry about that. And I'm sorry is because I've been running through just thinking through my mind about like stuff that's gonna happen in the future and all that. But anyways, this video is about on how to block a computer from accessing your network. Like, let's say you have a network of just your computer, like your house, and let's say you have some annoying sisters that like to play Justin Bieber songs, and they like to blast the music, and I hate that, and it gets me mad, especially that I hate him. And so I decided to make a video on how to block a, a specific MAC address, not your entire network, but just one computer in your network. That way they won't be able to access your internet on your network. Alright, so let's get to it. First, you want to go to Start. You want to go to Computer. You want to go to Network. You want to go to Network Sharing Center. You're going to go to Wireless Network Connection or whatever connection you have. Details, and right here where it says IPv4 Default Gateway, there's going to be an IP address which is 192.168.1.1. This is basically the basic IP addresses for all routers out there. So if you know your router's IP address, you could just go ahead and go to Firefox or whatever web browser you have, and you could just in the address bar you could just type in the IP address, which is going to be 192.168.1.1. And if you have a username and password, please enter it in. And I got Linksys. Basically, a lot of people have Linksys, but in case if you don't, try to look for settings that look similar to this that will lead you to the same options, such as wireless. Like, you have to go to wireless if you're in Linksys. Go to wireless and then go to wireless MAC filter. And right here, yours is probably gonna be saying disabled. You wanna enable it. And right here, these are two options. The first option is prevent PCs listed below from accessing your network. So this one basically means like any computer any computer in the network could be, I mean, any computer could be connected to this network except a specific one, and you just type in their MAC address. Or you could just click this one, permit PC listed below to access the wireless network. So the computers that are their MAC address that are listed, their MAC addresses are listed below. Those are the only computers that will be able to access your network. Only those computers. So whatever other computers that are going to try to be connected, the router is going to deny them, and it's not going to give them their internet. So right now I'm just going to have prevent the PC listed below from accessing the wireless network. And to find the MAC address of that specific computer, you want to go to wireless client lists. And that's exactly, you're going to find all the computers that are going to be connected to your network or devices such as an iPod, iPhone, and all that. Oh, that stupid ass dog. Anyways, you're gonna see the status saying connected, 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 disconnected. This is my little sister's computer because I named it Little, and this is disconnected because I don't want them to blast some Justin Bieber songs. And just to prove it to you that those are the computers connected to the network, here's a list. Like right now it says that they're connected, but then there's like an exclamation point right here. I believe there's an exclamation point, or it's not either connected. But I don't really care as long as they don't blast the music. But anyways, if your device doesn't show here for some reason, like any reason at all, there's another way to find out their MAC address besides the wireless client list. And that way is just let me exit all these windows. If you go back to the network and sharing center, there's gonna be something called see full map. You click on that, and then Windows is creating the network map. And these are currently the computers that are connected to your network as we're speaking, well, in my network. And the following discovered devices cannot be placed on the map. So these are the devices that are probably been disabled, like this one's been disabled for sure. And I'm not sure about this one, I don't know why it's there. But anyways, if let's say I want to block this laptop, you're just gonna copy this MAC address as right here, 718.04.84.7120. I'm gonna type you. I suggest you to type the MAC address right here, just like right here in the search panel, in the search bar. You just wanna like hover over it and then just type it over here. That way you don't have to go back and forth like to this window, back and forth, back and forth. So yeah, and once you type in your MAC address, you want to click Save Settings. Your router, I think your router will reset, or you may be disconnected from your network, and then you're gonna be connected right back, and then that the MAC address that belongs to that computer is not gonna be able to access the internet. So yeah, that's basically it. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please comment, thumbs up, and subscribe for more network tutorials. So this is PSP Slim Hacks, known as Hector Bautista. Bye. And one more thing, I'll try to create more videos for you guys. I'm sorry I've been being lazy lately, but yeah. Well, thank you for watching. Bye.